especially for you. I wanna tell you I was feeling that way too. And if dreams were wings, you know, I would've flown to you, to be where you are. No matter how far, and now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and the sorrow. I've gotta say, it's all because